Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
How are you today?
I'm fine.
Did you finish your homework, Lan?
Yes, finish my homework.
Can you describe to me about number 5?
Number 5. About straight, right, horse, strong, can, faster, run, and faster.
What about you, Aiman?
I'm sorry, I forget my homework.
Why?
Because I'm busy. I have my parents.
Okay. And you, Fadil? Did you finish your homework?
Of course, but I forget my book in my home
Why you forget your book?
because I'm hungry.
It's okay. Let's go study.